For our Christmas dinner, we went to Backspace to bake our Christmas cupcakes and cakes. I was really excited because this time, we weren't just buying desserts. We were actually going to make them ourselves. When we arrived, everything was already set up. The bowls, the mixtures, and the ingredients. It made me feel like a real baker. I decided to make cupcakes because I like mixing batter and watching all the ingredients come together. At first, I was really nervous because I didn't want to make a mistake. But once I started mixing, it felt calm and fun. My hands got a little messy, but I didn't mind. The kitchen smelled really good and it made me feel happy. While Harold made a cake, I watched him measure the ingredients and mixing everything carefully. He was really focused, and I could tell he wanted the cake to turn out nice. We worked side by side doing our own things, but still helping each other when we needed to. We also helped Lucas with his cake. While we were baking, I felt proud because it wasn't easy. But we tried our best, and we learned how to be patient and careful. We learned that baking takes time. When the cakes and cupcakes were finally done, those cakes and cupcakes were for our Christmas dinner. And it made them even more special, because they weren't just desserts. They were something we worked hard together. Someday I will be a baker. Merry Christmas, everyone!